Hi, I'm Kamya, an artist and an art educator. I go by the handle Art by Kamya on most of the social media. So recently I came across this blog on the Ayush Paper website which gives a very detailed information about the mixed media artworks. So inspired from the blog, this tutorial is about mixed media and how to create your first mixed media artwork. So let's get started with the tutorial. As paper matters to me, I'll be using this Ayush Paper mixed media paper which is 250 GSM. It is a very good paper and can be used for multiple mediums like watercolors or acrylics, etc. In mixed media, we are free to use multiple mediums, so I might use acrylics, clear stamps, stencils or color splashes or much more. It's going to be a totally an impromptu medium, so I might switch different mediums as well. Starting with the tutorial, I'm just wetting my paper with water and I am going to draw some circles directly with the watercolor. So I'm just stamping the circles here with different color shades of blue. I think the best part about mixed media is that you don't really have to plan, you just go with the flow and you are free to do whatever you just want to do, because you can do anything and everything on one piece of paper. So I wanted to splatter some blue color here and so just play around with the color, and then I am now making some stencil art here. So I'm just placing my stencil and just tapping the acrylic color here on the paper, so it gets the leaf mark gets stamped here. Make sure you use acrylics here for the stamping, because if you use watercolors or any water soluble mediums here, they might get affected when you apply further layers of colors later on. So just try to use acrylic here. Now I am just giving a splash of green color here with the splash spray paints I have. I didn't plan anything for this artwork, so now I just got my hands on a tissue paper. So I'm trying the decoupage art here. So decoupage is basically you paste a piece of tissue paper on the paper, and because of the transparency of the tissue paper, it gives a very translucent beautiful effect. So luckily I had this very beautifully printed tissue paper with me, so I just thought of pasting it over here. In case you don't have a tissue paper or anything like that, you can simply paste any of your printed artworks, like if you have a flower printed or anything from card or books, like anything like that, you can use anything of that sort. Now after this, I am making some patterns here. I'm doing some doodling here basically with watercolor. This is watercolor, so I'm just doing random doodling of flowers. So I wanted the concept to be flowers and petals, so I'm making some different type of flowers here, different ones from the ones I already have stamped here. After that, I started making some patterns here on the random places on the sheet. So I'm making small circles here. Again, this is watercolor. In case you don't like this pattern, you are free to do any other doodling, like you can probably go for some patterns or some flowers doodle. You're free to do whatever you want on your artwork. I got these stickers, so I pasted them. So basically these were kind of reminded me of the beehives. So from there the idea to me came to have everything with the concept of leaf and nature around. So I just tried to give that kind of feel to this entire piece. In case you like, you can put your favorite quote or any other line which gives you motivation, or which reminds you of something important, or which you think that can relate with the theme of your artwork. You can paste that, or you can even write down. If you are good at calligraphy, you can even write down that on the paper. Since I am not very good at calligraphy, so I thought of giving it a skip and instead pasted some stickers here. Then I'm just highlighting around the stickers with blue color. I wanted the stickers to just pop out a little. And lastly, I'm giving a few touch-ups here and there with different colors like green, blue, and some red for that extra tint here. Unfortunately, I made a lot of mess while creating this one, and I had to make sure to clean the table and my hands to continue recording. So creating a mixed media artwork is very easy. You can just take anything and everything from your drawer or your just anything which is at your hand's distance, and you can just put it on the paper. So I created another mixed media piece here which has a little cool tones different from the one I created. This has a little warm tone and this has little cool tones here, but again I have used some stamps like butterfly wallpaper stamps, and I've done some calligraphy here. I hope you learned something about mixed media today and enjoyed this tutorial. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.